Hi friends, welcome back to our channel Good Food Good Mood by Reno. So today we are making butter chicken. These are the ingredients: tomatoes, ginger, some cashew nuts, and green chili. So we have taken 500 grams of chicken. To this we are adding ginger garlic paste. After adding ginger garlic paste, we will add some black salt to this. After black salt, we'll add some mustard oil, 2 spoons of mustard oil, 3 spoons rather. Now some jeera powder, some lal mirchi, haldi, and salt to taste, normal salt to taste. Now we'll mix it well. Ensure that the chicken gets massaged properly with all the spices. And we'll cover it and let it marinate for at least 45 minutes. Now we'll put on the stove, and on that we'll put on the kadhai. To this we're adding tomatoes, roughly chopped, close to around 10 tomatoes we've taken, some cashew nuts, some green chilies, some ginger, diced ginger we have taken. After this we'll add some water to this and some cardamom seeds as well. Take some water and we'll put this on stove for at least 45 minutes. So for 45 minutes, next this will be on flame. We'll try and check it in between to see if it is not sticking, though it will not stick because it has water. We'll mix it properly and then again we'll cover it up. Now we'll grease the pan. We'll take one dish in which we'll try and keep this chicken which has marinated for 1 hour. We'll spread it evenly. After spreading it evenly in the dish, we'll put it in the microwave and we'll put it inside on 160 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes. Now in the same pot we'll add some sugar to the mixture. After adding some sugar, we'll add some red chilies. We're using degi mirch. And then we'll add some haldi powder. And we'll add a lot of cumin powder as well. 1 spoon rather of cumin powder. Mix it properly. See, there is no water left now. Now we'll transfer it into a bowl after it has cooled down, and we'll put it back into the pan, and we'll put a good dollop of butter and 1 whole packet of cream I have added in this. Mix it gently. Remove it from the sides of the kadai. Now we'll add some crushed kasuri methi in this. Mix it again and keep it for next 5 minutes on slow flame. Now you can see the chicken is also done. We've got it out from the microwave. You can try and roast the chicken like this in microwave, in your air fry, or you can try and do it on the pan as well if in case you do not have these equipments. Now we'll transfer all the chicken inside the sauce which is prepared, the gravy rather. Mix it again gently and after that cover it and keep it on the flame for next again 5 minutes maximum. Once it has boiled, our dish is complete. Butter chicken is ready to be dished out. Let it sit on the pan for some time, give it a sitting time, and then it's ready. So our chicken was very tasty. Please like the video, subscribe our channel, and keep watching Good Food, Good Mood by Renu for more such videos. Thank you.